In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SVG to Squarespace. SVG files are perfect for logos and icons because they stay crisp at any size. Let's walk through the full process so you can add one cleanly and with confidence. Start by opening your Squarespace website and entering the page editor for the section where you want the graphic to appear. Once you're in edit mode, add a new block and choose Image. This gives you a visual placeholder and the familiar image editor, so you can position and style the graphic the way you want. When the block opens, follow the on-screen prompt that highlights where to manage the image source. We'll come back to it after preparing the SVG. If you already have your SVG file, great. If not, open a new tab and go to picsvg.com. This site converts a regular image, like a PNG or JPG, into SVG format. Click Upload a picture, pick your logo or graphic from your computer, and let the tool process it. For best results, start with a clear, high-contrast image. If the site offers preview or style options, choose the simplest one that preserves the shape cleanly. When you're satisfied, download the SVG to your computer so it's ready to use. Return to your Squarespace editor and click the highlighted control inside the image block to add your file. Choose Upload File and select the SVG you just created. Once it's uploaded, you should see it appear in the block. From here, you can adjust basic settings just like any other image, such as layout and spacing. If you want to add context, like a label, a short caption, or a note for visitors, insert a text element near the image. Click Text, then type your supporting content. This is especially helpful for accessibility and clarity. Now follow the highlighted interface prompts to fine-tune the presentation. Use the visible controls to adjust alignment, size, and spacing so the SVG sits exactly where you want it on the page. If there are style options or toggles surfaced by the editor, click the highlighted ones to apply your preferred design. Take a quick look at the live preview to confirm the SVG remains sharp and scales well on different sections. When everything looks right, click Save to publish your changes. That's it. If you don't see the image immediately, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. And if the SVG looks overly complex, try re-exporting a simpler version in picsvg.com.